Great morning, friends. This is Irina S. Murthy, a wealth manager. Please note down that share market is growing extraordinarily good, but recent times it has come down slightly. But for the last 5 years, it became double, and it is predicted that coming 5 years it become double. So invest some amount in share market, take the advantage of the share market's growth. India is growing like anything, so be a part of that growth story. Thank you. Please contact me on my WhatsApp number or my number Irina S. Murthy 93478 22223. Thank you. Have a nice day.